Hi, everyone. I'm glad that you're here today to learn a little bit about how we can use Schoology to create test banks. And one of the benefits about this is that you can create one quiz for your class of students, and each student will be able to take a unique set of questions for their quiz. So lots of great stuff here we're going to do today. Why you should create a test bank in Schoology? Well, first, it's going to randomize the questions for each of your students. You can also ensure that specific types of questions, like say that relate to a specific area of content, like within a chapter like chapter 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, you can evenly distribute them in a student's quiz. Also, this will provide a variety of questions for students to be able to take retakes. They're not taking the exact same quiz over and over. So those are a few of the benefits to this. The one downfall about using test banks in Schoology and the resources is that you're not able to use this type of assessment. So this came out a couple years ago, and what we have here is that we have these unique types of quizzes you could essentially take, where you have stuff like fill in the blank, ordering, essay, drop and drag, all those kind of things. Unfortunately, you're not able to do that with this function in Schoology. So just so you know that as you get into this.